Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix recent data from similar device so that these apps may stop working on this device problem on Play Store. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, again click on storage, click on clear data, tap on clear cache data, again tap on apps permission. You can enable all apps permission. Step 2. Open Play Store, tap on profile picture, again tap on setting icon, tap on network preference, click on apps download preference. You can select over any network. Step 3. Open your phone setting, tap on system apps updater. You can update your all system apps. Step 4. Restart your device. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.